Ready?
Set. Go!
I'm winning.
What is that, guys?
It's a good water and that's underground.
That's for irrigation.
Yeah, but how does the irrigation go over here when it's flowing that way?
The pipes go this way too.
Oh. Be fast. That was super duper fast. Start.
You gotta keep filming.
Start from the middle.
Okay, all right, ready?
There. Go. That was a perfect one. Whoa. Seriously?
Show me.
Messi? Yes, you're high. You're high. Then, what? Are you at the very top of this tree?
No, I'm in my flip-flops. Keep aiming at the tree.
Dad, that is so dangerous.
Make sure your fingers aren't in the way. All right, should I get down?
Jump down.
No, this is too high to jump.
How? Get down. Like the monkey. Dad. Got it.
Honey break.
I'm not helping yet.
What do you think, Jack?
Good.
Good. Milo, what do you think?
Good.
Good.
Okay, sugar.
Like sugar. What are we doing, guys?
Cleaning the chicken house out!
Jack, what are we doing?
Cleaning the chicken out!
Ah, yeah, you want to say hi to your chickens behind you?
Hi. Hi, chicken. Hi, chicken.
Yeah, they're chickens. Milo, what did you just do over here?
I filled all the water in.
Excellent.
And
Yep, good.
And the chicken food.
Okay, put your mask on. It's really stinky in here.
How stinky is it?
It's very stinky. Yeah, we're just cleaning out the chicken house.
Yeah. Are we done now? Look how much it is.
Good job.
Are we done now?
Yep, we're done. Take the hose out.
Come on.
Hey guys, are we cleaning the chicken nesting boxes?
Yeah.
Yeah.